In this video, we will learn what is small cap mutual fund, what are the features of small cap mutual fund, and some good mutual funds to invest. Small cap mutual funds are equity funds that invest most of their money in companies with a small market capitalization. What is market capitalization? It measures a company's value based on the number of stock shares it has issued and the price at which investors are willing to buy them. SEBI defines small cap companies as those that are ranked below the 250th rank in terms of market capitalization. In monetary terms, these companies have a market capitalization of less than Rs 5,000 crores. Small cap funds carry a high level of risk. Even the slightest volatility in the market can have a huge impact on the share prices of small cap companies. However, these stocks also have a vast potential to offer incredible returns. A small company has a lot of scope for growth, and when it does grow, the share prices will increase dramatically. Now, let us learn what are the features of small cap mutual fund. It is well-known fact that mutual funds are subjected to market risk. In the share market, share price of listed companies change daily. It has been seen that fluctuation of share price of small cap companies are very high as compared to medium or large cap companies. And hence, fluctuation of your money invested in a small cap mutual fund is very high as compared to medium or large cap mutual fund. Because of the high fluctuation, the risk involved with investment of small cap mutual funds are high. But the return expected with small cap mutual fund is high, since there is always a scope of high growth with small cap companies. It is important to note that if any uncertainty happens and the market crashes, at that time the small cap companies will fall more as compared to medium or large cap companies, and hence your money invested in small cap mutual funds will be in high risk. Now, let us know some of the good small cap mutual funds. We would like to mention here that these are not our recommendations, these are good from our point of view. So, for investment, you can do your own analysis. Okay, let us see Quant Small Cap Fund Direct Plan Growth. It has given 54% return in last year. Nippon India Small Cap Fund Direct Growth. Last year performance is 52% annual return. SBI Small Cap Fund Direct Growth 30%. ICICI Prudential Small Cap Fund Direct Plan Growth 41%. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment if you find this video helpful. Also watch similar video on large cap mutual fund in this channel.